Workout for Spartan naman po for stronger arms and upper body. Let's go! Focus muna tayo sa pulling power. So, kailangan natin palakasin yung back and yung grip strength natin. First exercise, pull-ups, chest to bar. 4 sets tayo dito, max reps. So, main focus natin is for obstacle pulling strength. So, susundan natin yan ng towel dead hang. So, kailangan mo lang ng towel. 3 sets tayo dito. 20 to 40 seconds para palakasin yung grip strength natin para sa mga rigs, monkey bars, and rings. And then after that, switch naman tayo sa pushing plus stability. Okay, so hand release push-ups or deficit push-ups. 4 sets tayo dito, 15 to 20 reps para lumakas tayo sa rope climb, assistance, and endurance. Next is another pushing movement. Dumbbell shoulder press for shoulder strength para lumakas tayo sa mga carries and climbs. Next, focus naman tayo sa carry and obstacle specific. Farmer's carry, go heavy on this. 4 rounds tayo dito, 40 to 60 meters para lumakas ka sa bucket carry and sandbag carry transfer. And then after nyan, susundan naman natin yan ng Atlas carry. If may ganito kayong bola sa gym nyo, mas maganda. If wala, you can go with dumbbell snatch. Go for 3 sets of 5 attempts on each side. Alamin mo kung saang side yung strong side mo and focus on your technique. Next move naman natin is for core strength and arm endurance. So hanging knee raises or L-sit hold, pwede na rin yun. 3 sets tayo dito, 10 to 15 reps or 20 to 30 seconds hold. And then after that, susundan naman natin yun ng towel kettlebell row. If walang kettlebell, pwede rin naman yung dumbbells, pampalakas ng grip stamina. And then tatapusin natin yung workout natin around 15 to 20 minutes, easy run at zone 2. Sa Spartan race, hindi lang yan palakasan. Kailangan mo rin ng proper pacing and proper technique. So train your grip, train push, train pull, and train carry.